Hello subscribers, in this video, let's see how we fixed this issue we faced while modeling a seri. Go to Blender and hide the seri. Select the top dress and switch to Edit mode. Hide the head. Select all the vertices and press F to create faces. Switch to Face Select mode. Select the top face. Press E to extend and S to resize. Press E again to extend. Unhide the 3D models. Export the 3D model. Reload it in Cura and slice it. Go to Preview mode and let's check if the 3D model is good for 3D printing. It's perfect. Let's see the next issue we faced while modeling this in the next video. Click and watch to know how we fixed the next issue.